So I am just showing you the easiest way to embed a YouTube video into your Schoology course. So the best way that I have found to do this is to actually go into your course where you would like to add it, hit Add Materials. You're going to come down here to Add Page. Once it pops up that box for you to actually create content, you're going to come right up here to this little button that says Insert Content and click YouTube. I am looking for a specific video on the War of 1812, so I'm going to type it in. Crash Course History, War of 1812. Search. So here is the video I was looking for. So then you're going to select the video and come up and hit Import. Then you're going to click Import as Embed. It will do this super quickly. Me personally like to throw it Align Center, give it a title, Crash Course History, the War of 1812. And then this is the really important part so that it shows up properly on your Schoology page. You're going to come down here to Options and hit Display on New Page. When you click it, it will light up here and say Display in Line. So when it's lit up and you can read it here, Display in Line means it's going to actually show it on the page and it's not going to be a page they have to click on. Hit Create. And voila, your video is now embedded.